Hello, my name is Jasmine and today we're going to unlock our right brain using abacus. And why you need to learn abacus is because one, it helps you to unlock your right brain. Your right brain is the brain of imagination and your left brain is the brain of spoken languages skill, which 95% of the population uses the left brain and the other 5% only geniuses uses the right brain. Number two, it helps you to remember stuff more easily and even more memories. And number three, it helps you to have more patience. Number four, it helps you with your spoken languages. Number five, it helps you to have more imagination. And number six, it helps you with your creativeness. And last but not least, number seven, it helps you with your reading, your data, high speed. So first, I'm teaching you the numbers in the abacus, but when you do the plus, we're using our thumb. And then when we minus, we're using our index finger. So this black dotted line right here is our unit number. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. When you minus, use our index finger. And this top one right here is number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So like I told you, when we do the plus, we use our thumb. And when we do our minus, we use our index finger. So 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 3 minus 3 plus 4 minus 4. But in this case, number 5, we plus 5 using our index finger, and minus 5 also our index finger. Then plus 6, we use both of our fingers. Then minus 6 plus 7 minus 7 plus 8 minus 8 plus 9 minus 9. Now we're going to do the plus and the minus. So 1 plus 1 and plus another 1 equals 3. 1 plus 2 and minus 1 is 2. Moving on to this one, 3 minus 3 plus 2 is 2. And this last one is 4 minus 2 plus 1 minus 2. So how is it, everyone? Is using beginner level of the abacus, is it hard or is it easy? But now we have a special show for you all, and let's welcome our guest, Teacher Sherry.
Hello, Jasmine.
Hello.
Today we met again.
And we're going to do some math questions. So Teacher Sherry will use the calculator and I'll use the abacus. Let's see who's faster.
Okay. Of course, it's me.
Finish. So what's your answer?
483.
Mine is 483.
Oh, you're so fast.
So calculator and abacus, you can use both, but abacus will help you work your right brain more and help you boost your imagination and your creativeness. So if you want to learn abacus, you can contact this number down below at Izumi. So I hope you like this. Please like, comment, and share so you can support me and I'll give you more content like this. Bye!
Bye